Hi, travel lovers! So today we are excited to take you on a journey to one of the most breathtaking waterfall in Cisayong, Tasikmalaya called Curug Badak. Are you ready for this? Let's go! Located 22 miles from Siliwangi University, this natural wonder is easily accessible. And it's only need 30 minutes drive to this parking spot. We are in the parking spot right now. And from here, 15 minutes hike will lead us to the majestic Curug Badak. Let's get going!
At the ticket counter, the staff greets visitor warmly and explain that the entrance ticket costs only 10,000 per person. After purchasing, visitors receive information about the facilities inside, such as cozy coffee shop and the beautiful Curug Badak waterfall. Before entering, the staff also remind guests to keep the environment clean and follow the safety rules.
Are you curious why this waterfall called Curug Badak? So, long ago, people believed in the forest lived a giant rhino. This rhino wasn't scary. He was strong, but also kind. He often helped people in the villagers, like carrying firewood, or even helped them to plow the rice fields. One day, a group of bad people came, and they want to take over the village. The rhino became very angry, and he challenged them to a fight. With his great strength, the rhino defeated all the enemies until they ran away and never came back. The villagers felt very grateful. To honor the rhino's bravery, they named a waterfall in the forest Curug Badak, which means rhino waterfall. So, if you visit Curug Badak today, you are not only enjoying the beauty of nature, but also remembering a legend of courage and kindness.
After hearing the myth, let's explore the history of the name Curug Badak. Curug Badak has two versions about the historical of the naming Curug Badak. The first one, the name Curug Badak Tasikmalaya, is derived from an oval rock located in waterfall stream, and the rock looks like a badak's horn. When the water is high and rising, the rock emerges from the current like a waterfall. The last one, according to local sources, the name Curug Badak Tasikmalaya is derived from a long ago badak that fell into the waterfall.
So, that's the history about naming Curug Badak, which was opened in 2016. Whichever version that you believe, both are contains magic, beauty, and also mystery about this place. Wait until you see for yourself what the view is like.
Before we reaching the hidden gem waterfall, the trail takes you through a fine forest. The tall trees, the cool breeze creates such a calming atmosphere, perfect to recharge your mind.
After a bit of trekking, the stunning waterfall welcomes you with its fresh, crystal clear water. The sound of rushing water, the clean air, and the natural scenery make the journey totally worth it.
So, if you are looking for a peaceful escape into nature, Curug Badak in Tasikmalaya is the place to be. Come and experience the beauty for yourself.
If you want to chill and take a deep breath for a while, visiting coffee shops around here after exploring Curug Badak is the best choice. Here in Cisayong, there is the Kaung Cafe, and it's not only about coffee, drinks, or meals. You'll find a complete experience. With affordable prices, you can find cozy place, cool air, and a beautiful view. It's a perfect place to come with friends, family, or someone special. And what makes it even more special, you can also pick fresh berries here, a sweet activity to brighten your day. So don't forget to stop by here because the Kaung is open every day. And of course, this is not just peace or nature, so you're gonna bring the memories to home.
Today's journey has taken us to a beautiful place. The clear waterfall and the air are refreshing our mind and our heart. So if you're looking for a take photos or a place to heal, so Curug Badak is the perfect choice.
You look lonely. I can fix that.
What are you waiting for? Bring your partner, friends, family, or even just come alone. Curug Badak is guaranteed with very beautiful views that will make you fall in love.
Oh, and they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head